We're already in a reality where it's not an exaggeration to say 1 billion people are using language models like ChatGPT every week. They're trained on the entire internet. We know there's toxic stuff on there. How do we ensure they're not going to teach their users how to build a bioweapon or a bomb? How do we actually make sure these models are safe to interact with the number of users they're actually interacting with? I work in AI, and in particular, I work on deep learning and deep reinforcement learning. So I'm interested in how we can make AI agents smarter when they're learning in environments where there are other intelligent agents, so that they can learn either from people or from other AI agents how to perform better. I was always interested in psychology, and I was interested in how we could make AI that's more effective at actually interacting with us. What I'm been really pushing on, and I'm really excited about, is the idea of using multi-agent RL safety training. You are training your model to be more safe, and you're training an adversary model to find prompts or inputs to the model that would cause it to do something unsafe. And what's new and different about what I'm doing is you train them both together online, leveraging results in game theory. We can actually say that if this game converges, we arrive at an LLM that is safe, no matter the input. We have some initial results that are showing our technique is much safer than the industry standard reinforcement learning from human feedback procedures. So you can be up to 75% safer without hurting capabilities. So I'm just extremely excited about that. UW, I felt, was a top school where the department is still really collaborative and supportive, and the people are nice. And I love the Pacific Northwest. It's so beautiful here. Mountains, forest, ocean. My students are so awesome. They're brilliant. They really are just a joy to work with. They really are blowing me away with how creative and how well they're able to execute. And we're able to just ask such big questions that it's really inspiring. So I think it's kind of ironic that for many of us, when we think about AI, we think, it could have been so cool. We were so excited about this possibility of like the Jetson-style household robot. Why am I still doing my own dishes? But instead of that future, we're kind of living in this reality that we're end up automating artists and knowledge workers instead. So I'd really like to try to do everything I can to steer the ship back to AI that actually benefits humanity and actually think about what humans need when we build them and make them serve those needs. My name is Natasha Jakes, and I'm an assistant professor of computer science here at the University of Washington, and I run the Social Reinforcement Learning Lab.